it's nice to always had practical work to do outside, and right now that is just a heaven sent thing to have on your plate. So I'm headed down with this bucket of fencing gear to go and tear down the old fence because the new fence is going to get put up, and I kind of asked for a nicer day to do it. So this is the fencing gear. We've got this guy who does everything, safety, and then make sure that all the steeples we pull off the fence are safely kept in the bucket so as not to injure any animals. Sorry. Now you just have to do every post all the way down to the banks. And that's a fun job of rolling it down the hill. The temptation is just to push it, but if you do just push it, it becomes an awful mess, like that one I made earlier. Gonna keep this one really neat, make Dad really proud. Ta-da! It's all done, and it's bundled up here. It's a thing of beauty, look inside. I'm gonna go home and eat my body weight in digestives.